OnePlus is stated to launch its new OnePlus 70 series in India later this month. There have been leaks and confirmations around the OnePlus 70 and the OnePlus 70 Pro. A new leak now suggests how the rear cameras on both the phones would look like. Gizmo China claims to have had their hands on the cases of the OnePlus 70 Pro and the OnePlus 7. The cases outline the design of the two smartphones, especially the cameras. On the OnePlus 70 Pro, the cameras will be placed vertically at the center. It's quite similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro design. This also hints at a triple camera setup for the OnePlus 70 Pro. The case for OnePlus 70 shows something pretty interesting. According to this, OnePlus 70 will feature a circular camera module at the rear. It looks somewhat similar to the camera module on the Motorola phones. If the leak is to be believed, OnePlus might actually go with this design change for its new phone. Like the Pro version, the OnePlus 70 will also feature a triple camera setup. OnePlus CEO Pete Lu had recently confirmed the new OnePlus phone's display will have 90Hz refresh rate. This phone will also be priced lower than the OnePlus 7 Pro, which starts at Rs 48,999 in India. Lu also confirmed the new OnePlus phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. Leaks suggest OnePlus 70 series will run on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. As far as other specifications are concerned, OnePlus 70 is expected to feature a 6.55-inch 2K Super AMOLED display and pack a 3800 mAh battery. It will launch in two storage variants of 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB. The triple camera setup will comprise a 48-megapixel, 16-megapixel and 12-megapixel sensor. The smartphone will offer features like slow-mo video recording at 960 fps, wide-angle video recording and nightscape mode.